The Penobscot Narrows Bridge is one step closer to getting suicide prevention barriers.
A law passed in 2023 to construct fences aiming to stop people from jumping off the bridge. According to the Maine Department of Transportation, after some delays, that project is now out to bid. News Center Maine's Katie Delaney has more on the plans.
For those who live near the Penobscot Narrows Bridge, like Verona Island selectman Todd Bridges, suicide is all too common.
I lost a classmate on this bridge. I had no idea that she was in that state of mind.
To try to prevent these tragedies, the state is building suicide prevention barriers on the bridge. The Maine DOT says it's expecting construction to be completed by July, but is pushing for it to be done as soon as possible.
We know the tourist season is coming up. We know the observatory deck in Fort Knox open in the spring. We're trying to minimize the impact to the traveling public, but we also realize that this project needs to be done.
Studies show that these fences are effective in reducing suicide by jumping rates.
I absolutely think it could make an incredibly positive impact.
Here in Maine, there have been no suicides on the Memorial Bridge in Augusta since barriers were installed. Mental health advocates are hopeful that the same can happen at the Penobscot Narrows Bridge.
Most people do not look for other means. They don't even look for other bridges. It slows them down enough to make them stop and think, oftentimes seek some help.
Some people in the community think more will need to be done to reduce suicide in the area.
I think we have a mental health issue. I think we need to spend, I would say, about taking our money and resources and putting into the mental health issues.
For those navigating mental health challenges, help is always available.
As myself, I had to ask for help. It's hard, but it's a whole new world too, once you realize you have the tools and you can use them.
If you or someone you know is struggling with their mental health, the National Alliance on Mental Illness has resources on their website. You can call or text a crisis line at 988. In Verona Island, Katie Delaney, News Center, Maine.